Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linking. Today we are going to create a magical drawing of beautiful flowers in the moon. Let's get started. First, grab your pencil and sketch a large circle in the center of your paper. This will be our moon. Don't worry about making it perfect. We will refine it later. Next, draw a smaller circle inside the larger one, leaving a crescent shape to represent the shadowed part of the moon. This gives our moon some depth. Now it's time to add the flowers. Start by sketching the stems. Draw gentle curving lines that extend from the bottom of the moon outward. Think of these as the paths where your flowers will bloom. At the end of each stem, draw the outline of your flowers. You can create different types of flower, roses, daisies, or any of your favorite. Just remember to keep them varied and natural. Once you have the outlines, add details to the petals. For a rose, draw layered curved lines inside the outline. For a daisy, add long, thin petals around the central circle. Take your time and enjoy the process. After detailing the flowers, go back to your moon and add some texture. Use small circular motion to create centers and shadows, craters and shadows. This will make the moon look more realistic. Now let's ink our drawing. Carefully trace over your pencil lines with a fine tip pen. Make sure to vary your line thickness to add depth and interest to your drawing. Finally, add some colors. Use your favorite medium colored pencil marker or watercolors. For the moon, use soft gray and white. For the flowers, go bold and bright and vivid colors to make them stand out. And there you have it, a beautiful drawing of flower in the moon. Don't forget to sign your artwork and share it with us on social media using the hashtag InspireArtLinkings. We love to see your creations. Thanks for watching.